Okay, so this part is about soil composition. But before that, let's do our vocabulary, everybody. Plant.
Plant.
Again, plant.
Plant.
Spell the word plant, please. Next one, animal.
Animal.
Again, animal.
Animal.
Spell the word animal, please. And last one, human.
Human.
Again, human.
Human.
Spell the word human, please. Okay, very good. So, this is the composition of soil. So, we have here 4 things that we can see in a soil. So, the first one, which is 45%, is minerals. Everybody, minerals.
Mineral.
Again, minerals.
Mineral.
How many percent?
45%.
Again, please, how many percent?
45%.
Very good. Next one, we have air.
Air.
Again, air.
Air.
How many percent of it is air? How many percent?
25%.
Again?
25%.
Very good. And we have next one, which is
Water.
again?
Water.
So we have water. How many percent?
25%.
25%. Very good. And last one, which is organic matter.
Organic matter.
Again, organic matter.
Organic matter.
Very good. How many percent? It's
5%.
5%. Now, let's see. Why do we have the minerals? Why do we have air? Why do we have water and organic matter in the soil? So, the first one is all about air. Everybody, 25% of soil
25% also
is air.
is air.
Okay, so it means in the soil there is 25% of air. So, that is what animals underground use so that they can live there. So, first example of an animal that live under the soil. What is that? Do you know what animal is that, students? It's what? You know that one, right? It's a mole. Very good, everybody. It's a mole. Everybody, mole.
Mole.
Again, mole.
Mole.
So, mole. What else? What animals do you know that live under the soil? What else? Some types of spider lives under the soil. Yes. What else? Ants. Yes. They make their nest underground. Some types of birds. Yes. What else? What else? You don't know any animals that live under the soil? So we have mole, some spiders, some birds. What else? Some rabbits, yes. Worms, very good. So they are the one that use the 25% in the soil. Next one, we have 25% of soil
25% also
is water.
is water.
So where do you think the water comes from? It comes from the river. What else? Where do water come from? Why do we have 25% of water in the soil? From the sea? From the what? From the ocean? What else? Swimming pool? Is there a water from the swimming pool that goes in the soil? Maybe. What else? From the rain. Very good. So, we have the water in the soil comes from the rain. It also comes from underground water. So if you notice, you go to the mountain, you don't see other people. But there are big plants. There are trees. Why? Because why they are alive? Why they grow that one? Why they grow so big? Because the trees, they get water underground. So even there are no people that gives water to those plants, they can still get water from underground. And again, what was it about? Yes, the roots gets the water underground. That's why even there are no people in the mountains or in some places, there are still plants, there are still trees, because they can still get water under what? Underground. Very good. What they use? What are they using to get the water underground? They use their roots. Very good. Next, we go to another type or another, which is minerals. Everybody, let's read. 45% of soil is minerals. Okay, so, but Teacher Ray, where does the minerals come from? It comes from the rocks that breaks into small bits over many years. So it comes from the big rocks. So because of many things, the big rocks will become smaller, smaller, smaller until they become part of soil. For example, have the strong winds, and then the rocks get flown away by the strong winds. Then it will break into small pieces. Or maybe some animals will stomp their feet on the rocks. Then it will become small bits. Especially now, there are a lot of people. When we walk, when we do something, it makes the rocks smaller and smaller and smaller until it becomes so thin, and the minerals will combine with the soil. So these minerals are used by some plants to grow. That's why even, just like what Teacher Ray said a while ago, even they are in the mountains, the plants still grow because they get the water, they get the sunlight, and they also get minerals in the soil, so they can still grow. And last one, we have the 5% of soil. Everybody, 5% of soil is organic matter. So what is organic matter, students? They are what? Any idea? What is organic matter? They are from dead what? Dead animals. Very good. And dead plants. So it comes from dead animals and dead plants. So when the leaves from the trees fall down, after some time, the leaves will break into smaller pieces and it will become an organic matter or the humus. That's why the loam soil, it means the loam soil has a lot of dead plants and dead animals. That's why they are very good for planting. So when animals like worms and bugs die, their bodies become organic matter in the soil. So we will answer these activities in your book later. So next, we will go to the benefits of soil. Everybody, benefits of soil. So what can you do using the soil that we can get the benefit from? Anyone who can tell Teacher Ray, what can we do or what we will do with the soil so that we can get the benefit from it? Anyone? We use the soil for what? We use the soil for what? For, pag-isip ba? For planting. So what are the things that we can plant? What are the things that we can plant? Anyone? You can plant watermelon.